Hi guys, let's cook together. We're starting with omena, commonly known as Kisumu boys. Yeah, so I've just washed the omena and then fried it in just cooking oil rather than okay, keep going. and then we'll turn off the heating.